Hi, this is Raj, an English language trainer. English for beginners. Video 3 in the classroom. Classroom. Now let's practice speaking English. In the classroom. Where is the? It's on the sentences. Where is the? Where is the board? Board ekkadundi? Where is the map? Where is the globe? Where is the pencil? Where is the apple? Where is the laptop? It's on the. The board is on the wall. The map is on the wall. The globe is on the desk. The pencil is on the table. The apple is on the table. The laptop is on the desk. Sentences. Where is the bag? The bag is on the table. Where is the board? The board is on the wall. Where is the mobile? The mobile is on the desk. Good job. See you soon in the next class.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.